In this video, I am going to demonstrate a cross-hand technique which can be used anywhere on the body. We can use the whole hand for larger areas or fingers for smaller parts. For this cross-hand release technique, this is a really nice area to do it in, on the lumbar area. A lot of people struggle with lumbar pain, so I'm trying to help to reduce the pain levels. We put one hand around the sacrum area here, and across your hand, one hand here around the spinous processes. Now, in massage, we tend to say avoid the spine, but we're not putting a lot of pressure. We're just working into the superficial tissue. So from here, we lean into the tissue. We're leaning downwards. And this is called the first dimension. So it's depth of pressure into that superficial tissue. Just touch on the client will activate the parasympathetic nervous system, so it helps relax the nervous system in this position. We can hold that for anything up to a minute. Sometimes clients will say it feels like it's sinking into the tissue, or you might feel like it's melting. Okay, the tissue melts under your hand. The second dimension is a parting your hands. Now just watch, I'm not sliding my hands at all. That is a stretch of the tissue now as I push my hands apart. So that's the second dimension. I'm going to hold that for anything up to a minute. And again, it might feel at some point that it wants to give a little bit further. The client probably feels it as though I pulled my hands even further apart. And then the third dimension for this is a twist or a shear. So let's see where your hands want to glide to. They naturally want to glide this way. So I'm doing a bit of a diagonal shear across that lumbar area. And we're going to hold that for up to a minute. So this whole technique can last around 3 minutes. And my hands haven't moved superficially on the tissue. They're moving the tissue underneath. Okay, let those hands come back and then take your hands off. And can you see the erythema? Can you see that? Got 2 handprints on the back. So that's showing warmth of tissue and hopefully resetting the nervous system there to relax that area. Quick recap, cross hand release can be anywhere on the body. Let's do a different one for the video for this recap. So we're going to do a cross hand across this way. The first dimension is sinking down into the tissue. So I'm just leaning my body weight down through this way. The second dimension is the hands apart. So we're drawing the hands apart. We're not slipping on the surface. And then the third dimension is a shear. So it's a natural shear or twist, and you're going to hold that position. You can hold each technique for up to a minute. So the whole technique might be 3 minutes in length. And it's a really safe technique to do anywhere over the body. If I demonstrate across the shoulder joint, cross hand, sink down, first point. Second point, hands apart. And there's quite a lot of pull here across the shoulder. And the third is a shear. So it's more of a twist. We hope you found this video informative and can use these techniques with your clients. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.